Ito yung female version ng How to Love ni Lil Wayne para kay Kabidong. I've been talking all day and I start to contemplate why they tell you how to hate, but they don't ever say how to love. No, they don't say how to love. One thing I need for sure is I need love the most. If you know something I don't, then please come let me know how to love. Come let me know how to love. Cause I've been really trying, but I always end up lying, and I broke a lot of hearts while I was still deciding how to love. Still deciding how to love. I may never get it right, but I'll put that to the side to take a chance on you and take it all the night. Cause I'll never get it right if I never even try, and I don't wanna say goodbye to you today. You chose to stay another day to walk away. Cause I've been smoking all day and I start to contemplate why they tell you how to hate, but they don't ever say how to love. No, they don't say how to love. And one thing I know for sure is I need love the most. If you know something I don't, then please come let me know how to love. Come let me know how to love. Yeah, I tell them stories like he has never heard, but he finds them impressive while others find them absurd. And he hungers for power, so I feed him with my words, make him sick of off my shit before my words get any worse. Never meant to hurt, only to inform you I was trouble coming, so I tried to warn you. You just cry about it like I tried to scorn you. Guess what, you would rather for me to ignore you and your silly ways, cause you never listen anyway. Listen to the bullshit that this Miss Vanilla Miller say. Thought you came the realest day, you want a team and build away, but I see that you just on the team cause you got bills to pay. You can put your bills away, that's never been a problem, babe. I never had shit to I could never help you anyway. Thought I came along for you to make love and to make some change. I just came along so I can show you there's a better way. Ain't the time to contemplate, I'll tell you how to hate, but they don't even say how to love. No, they don't say how to love. And one thing I know for sure is I need love the most. If you know something I don't, then please come let me know how to love. Come let me know how to love. Cause I've been smoking all day and I start to contemplate why they tell